What's up, guys? This is your boy Promise Yuri. Today we are going to talk about 14 free traffic sources for affiliate marketers, even bloggers, or any way you feel you want to make money and you need traffic. I'm going to give you 14 free ways to get tons of traffic, real traffic, human traffic, not boost at all. So do it to pay attention to this tutorial today and get it moved to the top. Yes, you can do it to subscribe to my channel, and I have other views for you here. Like this one talks about affiliate marketing strategy for beginners 2022, and this one talks about how to promote your NFT collections. It's just interesting. Now let's start. The first site we're going to talk about today is medium.com. In medium.com, you can get free traffic here. Just do what the others are doing here right now. Like this one, it says the 5 a.m. club. What do? Just come here and create content and add your link to it. In some other of my videos, I've talked about how to use a Medium as a way of getting free traffic to your blog, your YouTube account, your website, or your affiliate program. Just get to the website, create an account with them, and create content. And when you create your content, let's just see this content. If there's a link in this content, let's get it opened. Alright, so you can see it now. You can see it open here. See the 5 a.m. club. And if you look at this content very well, you can see that link here. Look at that link here. This link is, if I click on it right now, if I right click on it, let's say right click on it and open a new tab, you're going to see it loading here. It's going to show you Amazon website. Or I can see it loading. It loads to Amazon website. See this same 5 a.m. club here. So eventually this guy got his traffic from this website called Medium to this is Amazon link here. So that's what others can do too. You can just come here and create an article and put your link inside. Then when people come and read the article from there, they can see your link and click on it and drive them to wherever I want to drive them to. Either to Amazon website or there, but it's still let's wait for it to load. The next website I'm going to talk about right now is Facebook. Yes, all of us have Facebook account. Facebook is another place for you to get good traffic. What you do, if you're talking about maybe Fiverr or talking about affiliate marketing, you can just go to the Facebook search bar and click and search for, maybe in this time, affiliate marketing for beginners. Click on it. It's going to open the link for you. And from there, you can join other groups because because you are new, you may not have anybody you are joining in this group. But right now, I've already had some groups joined, but these ones are free. So let me just do it to join. And mind you, I don't want to join this kind of group because just about 106 members is just too small. If you want to join just something like this one says 158,000 followers, 3 posts a day. I can click join the group. Or this one says 30,000 members, 10 posts a day. So if you see 10 posts a day, and the members are more than 100 or thereabout, you can do it to join the groups. This one is join the groups. Then when you join the groups, later they will get your approval. Or some may just want admit to approve your this one says you join affiliate marketing group for beginners, learn how to make money online. So this one is giving me the indication that I joined. Why some may take time for you to get approved, so wait for them to get you approved. When you're approved, then you can just go there and make posts on how to make money online, maybe how to get them to your website, talk something really interesting, and when they see the reading, when they see a write-up, they'll be interested to come to your website and join you. Like this one is already loaded. So like I told you before, this guy collected got his traffic or his audience from Medium, and now we are redirected to this Amazon website. So if you want to buy anything, can you buy from here? It is a very simple and working way to get traffic from Medium. And the next one we talked about just now is Facebook. The one I want to talk about right now is Imgur. Imgur is an American online image sharing and image hosting service with a focus on social gossip that was founded by Alan Schaff in 2009. So this service has hosted viral images and memes, particularly those hosted in Reddit. So the one thing they did, those images here, I can come here to put your images here. So if you have an article that talks about maybe lizard or dogs, can you just put an article on lizard or dog, bring the picture here and put the image here. Others will see it and that will drive them to your website too. Look at them here. Imgur.com, this is the website. So you can see images here, you can see how they go. These are some kind of GIF and they like GIF, I mean to say. You can see images, so others sees them and come to the website. Like look at this one, says 152. I've seen these images and the thereabout. So the next website I want to talk about right now is Stumble Upon. SubUpon was a discovery and advertisement engine that pushed web content recommendations to its users. It allows users to discover and rate web pages, photos and videos that are personalized to their taste and interest using peer sourcing, social networking, and advertising principles. So that's one thing to do. So one thing to do is you help to share your photos and the like too. You can come here to share photos and you can get tons of traffic from this website too. Another website I want to talk about right now is Tumblr. Tumblr is another American microblogging and social networking website that was founded by David Karp in 2007 and is owned by Automatic. So what they do, the service allows users to post multimedia and other content to short form blog. You see, so it's good for bloggers too. Bloggers can make their post go private or can make their post go viral. They're using this Tumblr website here that you see here. This is the website here. So look at what happens here. You can just make a post here and you can follow others and people follow you. Look at the trending blogs that are here. People already make use of it. So if blogger can use this place, you as an affiliate marketer or as a YouTuber can come here and make use of this place to get traffic from US and the like. And now next website I don't want to talk about right now is Instagram.com. We all know Instagram that is good for sharing short videos and images. So make your image look unique. Let it be very, very unique so that when others sees your image, you see that you are somebody who they can work with, and they click on your link and the next thing they can drive traffic to your website. Look at this one. You can see comments here. Look at this image. You can see about 163,000 comments already here. Just 4 days ago it was uploaded. So come here, put good images here. If you don't know how to get good images, you can use the iPhone or you go to Fiverr.com and get good images for you so that you can promote. You can upload it to Instagram and get others coming to like your posts and make comments and drive it to your website. So that's it. This is my Instagram account. Please do it to follow me. I already have about 46 followers. So do it to follow me. Like I said before, I'm an online entrepreneur, Fiverr consultant, and SEO specialist. So I do it to help newbies to earn online, even with little or no experience. That's my handle. So the next website I want to talk about right now is Quora. Quora is a very good way to get traffic from the US too. What do? You just come to the question box. You can see question box. You click on the question box. Maybe you want to ask us how to make money online. Let's say how to make money online, or maybe easiest way to make money. Just click on it and it will get you others who are asking questions on how to make money online. Maybe the easiest way to make money online. So what do? Just come here and answer questions, and when you ask your questions, do it to add your link to your questions. You may not know the answers to the questions. So what you do, like in other videos, you can just go like this question. This one says, what's the easiest way to make money online? So what do? You can just come and answer a question related to that. So you've written an answer. Okay, I've already answered this question. Okay, you see it work. You say you can edit or delete it at any time. So that means I've already answered a question on this. So what do? You can just click on it. Let's see if what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Since I've already answered the question there, let's see what will happen. Alright, see my answers here. I answered about April 19, 2020. That's old. That's 2 years ago. Oh, see, I had about 225 views here. You see it? But something I missed here. That was really old. I did not put any link. You see, I wasted this post. I just wasted this post. Imagine, no link was here. No link. So in your case right now, that's one thing I always get my friends understood, that we are coming online to get people understood on how to make money online, because we've tested some of the ways that didn't work for us. So we've checked other ways that work. I'll come here to tell you guys how it works, so I don't have to waste your time just like the way I wasted my time 2 years ago. Look at it. Say in this place I'll have put my link here, make money online. Just bold it, put my link, and then this traffic will just come to at least 225 people that visited this post, who view this post. My likely come to my other content and had free traffic from this website called Quora. That's what you do. It's very simple. The next website we want to work on is your YouTube. YouTube is another place to get to your website. This is my channel from the jury, and these are my videos like I told you before now. So do it to watch these videos, and this one talks about how to make $3,450 online in Fiverr. It's possible. You can still get orders in queue too, and you can stay online if you follow my tutorials how to make money online in Fiverr. So do it to watch my videos like this one's. Like this one's here, it talks about affiliate marketing strategies for beginners 2022. Earn $3,000 doing nothing. Doing nothing. What do you do? Please do it to watch this video and add your comment in case you've had any ways that made you to earn online that others have not known. Do it to add your comment here. Then others will learn from it. Or maybe you need me to make a kind of a video on what you don't know and you want to explain on it. Please add your comment here too. Do it to place a like my videos, and do it to subscribe so that we can get others going forward too. The next website we want to talk about now is twitter.com. Twitter.com is another good website that you can use to share your traffic, that you can earn traffic from. Like this picture you see right now. This picture you see about 295 people already make comment on this picture, and about 228 people already retweeted this post, and you can see about 2,481 persons love this picture. You see, so you too can be like this. It's just a matter of time. It not start automatically, but with time you can just be like this guys, making use of Twitter to get traffic to your website. What you do, you can just comment to make a post and add your link to it, and that's all. Make a post, add your link to it, that's all. And from there, with time, you post those in Twitter will come to your website from this website. So another website I want to talk about right now is Reddit. Reddit is another website that you can use to get traffic from USA too. Look at it. Most of the pictures you see, you can see they are foreign now, white guys. It's a real way to get traffic from the internet for free. So just comment and upload your picture, upload your videos, and make sure you sign up to, maybe if you are new, you just sign up and get this website optimized. Reddit is a very good way to get traffic from the internet, especially if you want to get traffic from the USA and the like. Another place I want to talk about is the linkedin.com. This is my name. You can see how I get my people, like as you can see notifications, my phone notifications here. So this is now for you to get your traffic. Make a post here too. Start a post, make a post, add your link to the post. But in case you don't know how to add the link to the post, you can stay that in the comment section. In the comment section here, maybe watch any video on how to make money online from my channel. Please stay in the comment section that please, how do I link a post to my blog? You can just say that. I will get you responded as soon as possible. So let's go up. We just discussed about linking. So when we go to about Reddit, we talked about Reddit before now. So I'll just show you some parts of it. You can join these kind of groups in Reddit, or you can search for groups that are communities that are related to what you are working on. Maybe make money online or the like. Join them so that you can make comments there and do it to make use of this website with your sense. Because if you are not careful, they just trash you out. So be very careful when I make use of this website. The next website I want to talk about right now is TikTok. TikTok well is going viral nowadays, and you can just create an account with them and upload your pictures, upload your videos, or any content you have. People will see it. Do it to follow others, and others will follow you too. Don't be stingy. Follow people and people follow you, and make good content. Use good cameras or videos. And like in my other video, I've told you how to get good videos. In case you don't have good cameras, you can get good videos. Even though your camera is bad or you don't have a good phone, get good video for the internet for free. Free stock images or free stock videos can get it for free. There's one website called Pexels. With this website, you can get free images, free realty images or videos that you can use to edit your movies for YouTube or TikTok. Like this one, they say the best free stock photos, royalty free images, and videos shared by creators. So you can just come here and can just search for what is trending. Maybe like this one is water, art, rain, money, and the like. Let's click on money, because all of us want to make money online. Even me too, I want to make money online. So nobody is exceptional unless you always want to pretend. So while we wait for it to load, the next website I want to talk about right now is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is another free way to get your traffic, very free. Like if those of you who have my WhatsApp contact, once you click on my WhatsApp contact, you will see my YouTube link there itself. Because what I'm doing, I'm using the business part of WhatsApp. Yes, the WhatsApp business app. That's what I'm using. And they say it's free to download. It's a free to download app that was built with the small business owners in mind. Yes, so you can create a catalog to showcase your product and services. So you can connect with your customers easily by just using the tools to automate, sort, and quickly respond to message. That's it. So it's working for me. So once you come to my WhatsApp and I'm not online, my WhatsApp will reply you as soon as possible, and that will make you to come down that hey, in a very short time I'm going to respond to you. So WhatsApp is a very good way for you to get traffic. You can use your WhatsApp status to get traffic. It's a very nice place to get free traffic for that matter. Or you can see join WhatsApp groups. join that WhatsApp group that are related to your niche and share, make your post, share the link to them, and they come to your blog for free. Then another website I want to talk about is Flipboard. Flipboard is another good website for you to get content. You can create content here yourself. Like you can see other guys who are already making use of this place. Look at the NBC News, are already making use of it. They say the Moderna bivalent COVID booster provides stronger protection against Omicron. So this is just their post, and you can see others. Let's see if there are other guys. Look at this, CNN, 10 hours ago. What are they talking about? They said Webb telescope's massive mirror hit by micrometeoroid. You see, so that's the one thing. Look at these people here. CBS News. They say US warns North Korea preparing nuclear test, considering use of tactical nuclear weapons. So this is another good way to get traffic from the US and the other countries in case you want to get free traffic. These are the various websites you can get free traffic from for your affiliate or blog website too. If I made any impact, please do it to subscribe to my channel. Please do it to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, please. Encourage your boy. I do a lot of research to get these videos to you so that you can get the best out of it. Do it to subscribe to my channel. Please click the like button and make comments so that we can get this YouTube account moving forward, and that will get me encouraged to get more research and get you understood on how to make money online even with little or no skills. Thanks for watching. Bye.